Electrician pay in Morocco is worth a closer look. On average, an electrician in Morocco earns around 3,600 US dollars a year as an average annual gross salary. After tax, that drops to $3,100, which leaves you with a take-home pay of roughly $258 a month. That is why many workers look for jobs in big cities like Casablanca, where the after-tax pay goes up to $3,600. But higher living costs in the city often balance out the extra money you bring home. While starting out brings an income well below that average, your average electrician pay grows fast in the early years before it hits a wall unless you move up. Holding a university degree makes a big difference in how much does an electrician make in Morocco. And having that extra education helps you step up into higher paying roles like electrical engineer or project manager. On top of that, learning advanced technical skills boosts electrician wages even further because specialized electrician income is always in higher demand.